Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to spice up your Instagram game and connect with your audience in a more direct and engaging way, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram, a feature that's been rolling out since 2024 and changing the way creators and businesses communicate with their followers. So, let's dive in. First things first, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Once your app is up to date, open Instagram and head to your profile page. Now, Instagram has made it super simple to set up a broadcast channel. But before we create one, let's talk about what a broadcast channel actually is. Essentially, it's a way for you to send updates, behind the scenes content, announcements, or anything you'd like directly to your followers' inboxes. Think of it as your very own private radio station but on Instagram. If you already have the broadcast option, what you're going to do is on the upper right you'll see the messenger icon. Click on that and basically you will see the broadcast channel here. Now as you can see I do not have that one because not all are given the chance to have or to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So those who has a channel here, as you can see that they have a broadcast channel. That is because they are verified. So to get a broadcast channel, what you have to do is go on settings. So to have a broadcast channel, make sure you have your account professional. If not, then you can simply go on to your account privacy, make your account public, and then scroll down and simply you can go to account types and tool and switch to professional account. So after clicking on switch to professional account, click on continue and choose what best describes you. So here I'm gonna be choosing artist, and if you want to display it on your profile then you can click the display on profile. So here I'll be choosing to be a creator rather than a business. Click on OK, then next, and that's how you create a professional account. And you can simply go and check whether you've got your own channel or not. Here you can see I have not gotten my own broadcast channel. So what I'm gonna simply do is go to settings again and tap on help. And then I'm gonna report a problem without shaking. Then tap on include and continue and briefly explain what happened or what's your problem. For example, I would like to create a broadcast channel on Instagram, but I do not have option. So can you help me? Now all you have to do is simply click on send. Now your problem has been sent. Now all we have to do is wait for the Instagram community to get back to you and help you and maybe give you an opportunity to create your own broadcast channel. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.